Okay, this is Mazda number 2 from 2005, so model years 2003 until 2007. If you have this problem, when you put it on contact, your gauges do this, your radio is not working, your interior light is not working, and not in my case, but sometimes the center lock is not working as well. The fix is fairly simple. Take it off the contact, open the fuse box below the steering wheel, look for the fuse that says a room 15 amps fuse. Bear in mind that schema is in the mirror, so this is the fuse, the third from above. Apply up. It's very brittle, so be very careful when you pull it out, not to break it entirely. Okay, here it is. You can see it's burnt. So the fuse just below it is the fuse for the cigarette lighter. I assume you don't need it. Pull it out, put it in place of the fuse you took out, and let's see what we've done. Yep, not jumping. Radio says hello, and interior light is working. You buy another 15 amp fuse, replace the fuse for the cigarette lighter, and you're good to go.